What is that? Margaret.
Oh no. We go.
Excavator? Nandun yung nakabili na po. Excavator. Margaret, picture. Smile. Cheese. Cheese. Want to go? Here?
No.
Here, there. You step on the chains. What do you call that? The truck. Oh.
What?
There, oh, there. Want to see the inside of excavator? Come on. Smile. Yay! Picture.
Picture.
Smile. One. Come on. You look at the camera. 1, 2.
2, 3, 4, 5.
What's inside the excavator? Come on. Come on. Here, oh, here's the inside.
Wow.
Wow.
Cool.
Cool. That's where the driver operates the excavator.
What? Somebody like this?
Ah, I will take a picture.
Hello? Fire?
Is anyone here?
I see us. I see us.
Yeah. Margaret. Oh. Look. Come on.
No.
Why?
Oh no. Stop it. Stop.
What's that? Oh, come on.
Excavator.
Excavator needs help. Come on, we need to go home.
No.
Oh no, don't touch that. Look at your hands. It's dirty. Look.
No,
Look,
no,
look, look,
no.
look, look, look. Oh, yeah. Look.
Steady.
Dirty. Oh, we need to wipe it clean.
No.
Oh, wait.